So, first I load the file. I already wrote the file in text format in my documents under MIPS. It doesn't matter where it is. It is homework number 2, problem 4, right? Problem 4. Actually, I have sample runs for problem 2, problem 3, problem 4. I'm not going to be able to put everything on the blackboard, but you will have the answers in this. Okay, so you see this portion is my program. You see the system call. Right after that, all these lines are exactly what we just discussed, right? But things are not initialized. There's nothing. If you run this program as it is, it won't do anything until it run into problems or cause some pointer issues. Okay? So I have to set up my arrays first. So where do I set? I go to data. Okay? I told you this last time, remember? I don't know how many of you captured it, but anyway. So look at this user data segment. It starts with address 1 and all zeros after that. You can see from the back, right? What I'm showing. So let me set a value. This is going to be my first memory content. What did I say? That's going to be A0. Let's make it 30, hex 30. You see? It automatically changed to 30. You see the number? 30. Okay? Let's change the next element, which is A1. Let's make it 0F. Here we go. That became 0F. You see? Now I have 30, and now I have F in the next. So that's my A0 and A1. I didn't want to go and set A2, A3, A4 because I'm not going to need it for the purpose. Okay? So just A0 is set to some number and A1 is set to a number. Right now, I don't need to set anything for B0. Okay? Because it's going to be changing when I run the program. But let's see where it is going to be. Let's say, let me actually, I don't know the trick on this to go forward. Let's change this one to the I'm just setting some very arbitrary, very unnecessary values to some other memory locations to figure out where my array B will be. What did I say? Array B is going to start with 1000 and 0030. So that's exactly where I am right now. Let's make it all F's. Oops, too many F's. Okay, you see, I changed that location, 1000 and 0030 location, to all F's. And if I run this program properly, it's going to change it to what? Change it to 3F. Okay, that's the purpose, that's the intention, right? But I haven't finished up setting the things yet because I didn't set the S6 and S7 registers, right? Is that true? Where's my base of A and base of B? Where's the question? Yeah, I have to set the register S6. Let's go to S6, write this one. You see, I'm going to S6. Right now I'm changing the value for S6. I want to make it the address for the starting point of array A. What is it? What did I say? 1, 0, 0, 0, and then 4 zeros after that, right? B. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so you see the red here? Actually, it's not red on the screen, but if you do it on your emulator, it's turning to red, and this is a new value I just modified. Okay? Now I need to change S7. Where's S7 going to sit? It's going to be the starting point of array B. That's the 1, 0, 0, 0, and then 2 zeros, and then 3 0, right? Number 3 and number 0. Here we go. You see, my base register for A is here. My base register for B is here. These are the starting point of array A and array B. I just chose it that way. You can choose a number. Right? And notice that I can play with any other register as well at this point, but I don't care and I don't need it. All the way on top, what do you see? What register do you see all the way on top left? PC, program counter. It has to be at 0 to run a proper operation. Okay? If you run into a problem, you can go and manually make it 0 if you want to, or reset reset it through something here. Where is it? I think there's a reset place somewhere. Clear register. You can do clear register. See? Clear register. You can set to 0 to restart a program. Don't start from nowhere. You have to clear it first and start again. Okay, right now what did I do? I set my array starting points and I set the data segment where my arrays will hold the elements. Now I go to text. Okay, text is where my program is. Let me set a breakpoint right here, kernel text segment, set breakpoint. So this way I'm starting from program counter 0 and I'm going to run whole program up to this point, which is the end of my program anyway. I don't need to run these things, I don't know what they are anyway. Okay? So what do I run? I go to simulator, I can run step by step, or where's the continuous run, which one? Run continue, F5. Let's do that, okay? Let's see if it's gonna work. If I click on run continue, and it ran, and it will give you a message because the next line that you are gonna see is not particularly needed to my program. I'm done actually at this point. Okay, let's click on OK. You see these registers? These are the temporary registers I used, and they change the contents already during the program execution. Because I didn't do step by step. It's the end of program, right? All these numbers are the execution results. Now let's go to the data segment that I just said. Look at the address 10000030. What do you have there? 3F. Remember I put FFFFF before just to make it like, you know, garbage value at the beginning. Now it turned to 3F because it went to A0, it found hex 30. A1 is hex F. So it added up, it became 3F, and it wrote that value into that location. Right? Did everyone understand the whole idea? Right? So the program works that way. It sets up the registers, and it sets up the pointers for the arrays, and it just executes with LWs and SWs to find the correct result. Right? Right. Any questions? I'm sure there is a bunch of questions, but yeah, this is the story of everything. So these 4 problems in homework number 2, believe me, it summarizes everything you need for test 1. Everything you need. Okay? I will put the solutions right now. In fact, as soon as we leave, I'll put it on there. So that's the whole thing. So try this run the way that I explained to you at home. And this is a little bit more familiar with the emulator. And plus, notice that T0, temporal register, is left with the actual result. That's 3F. So you can see those intermediate events. Okay? And in fact, you can do F10, which goes one by one and see the changes. Right? Okay, so do you feel like you are ready or not for test 1? Not ready, but we have time, right? We have 1 week actually. We are not meeting this Tuesday. We are going to meet on Thursday. Right, in the meantime, if you have any specific question, not general question, very specific question, please send me email, okay? Don't feel ashamed or whatever, timid. Just ask the question, but it has to be specific. If you ask, okay, what is that, then